Welcome to Trilokya Design Studio.
Hold it right there, perfect. We need 12 centimeters to the deck. Mark it right on that line. The footprint is perfectly aligned.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's design journey. Please like, share, and subscribe to Trilokya Design Studio. What should I design next? See you in the next one.